Hello, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the latest version of MS Office on your PC or laptop. This entire method is completely official and legitimate. There are no third-party apps, cracks, or fake activators involved. If you follow all the steps properly, you'll be able to install apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint easily on your PC. Now, before starting, make sure you don't already have an older version of Microsoft Office installed on your PC, because it can clash with the new installation later. So open the Windows search box and type Add or Remove Programs. Then search for Microsoft Office. If you see any Office-related apps or components here, uninstall them first. Now, let's start the actual installation process. Open any browser and search for config.office.com. This will take you to the official Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. Click on Create a new configuration. Now, in Architecture, choose 64-bit. Then, in the Office Suite section, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. I'm specifically choosing this version because it doesn't require a Microsoft 365 subscription for basic usage. And if you see a newer version like 2025 or 2026 in the future, you can simply choose the latest available version instead. Now scroll down to the Apps section. By default, a lot of apps will already be selected. So from here, keep only the apps you actually want. For example, I only want Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so I'll disable all these other apps. Then scroll down to the Language section and choose your preferred language. Now at the top right side, you'll see an Export button. Click on it. For the default file format, select Office Open XML formats, then click OK. Accept the license agreement and click Export again. This will download the configuration.xml file to your PC. Now we need the Office Deployment tool. So open a new tab and search for Office Deployment tool. Open Microsoft's official website and download it. Once downloaded, double-click on it. Accept the license agreement and click Continue. This tool basically extracts the setup files, so choose a folder where you want the files to be extracted. I'd recommend the Downloads folder since it's easier to access later. Now go to the Extracted folder. Here you'll find setup.exe along with some other files. We only need setup.exe and the configuration.xml file that we downloaded earlier. So create a new folder anywhere and give it a simple name like Office 2024. Then copy both setup.exe and configuration.xml into this folder. After that, I'd recommend moving this folder directly into your C drive. This step is optional, but it makes the CMD commands shorter and easier later. Now open the Office 2024 folder. Then open the Windows search box again, type CMD and run it as administrator. Now click on the address bar of the Office 2024 folder and copy the full directory path. Then go back to CMD and type cd space and paste the directory path after it. Then hit Enter. Now type the command shown on the screen, setup.exe/configureconfiguration.xml. Make sure the spelling matches exactly, including their case. Then press Enter. Now Microsoft's official installer will start downloading and installing all the selected Office apps. This process can take some time depending on your internet speed and the apps you selected, so just let it finish. Once the installation is complete, you'll get a "You're all set" message. Close it. Now if you search for Word from the Windows search box, you'll see that it's installed successfully. You can open it, create a blank document, and start using it normally. That's it. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe.